Uh, Online team, I hope you guys are able to hear my voice. Yeah, let me create running notes for today. Oh, as per yesterday discussion. Today I need to start what exactly, sir? Oops, let us start. (32). Very less students actually. Good news is I will continue. Are you with me or not, sir? There is no, uh, still I will continue. 24. Very, very important, sir. Dictionary, data structure. And I hope package is pending after this. Am I right, Kada? Package. After object oriented programming, the package topic we are going to talk actually. Yeah. Daniel, all data structures we done. We are good to go. Did you understand data structures? It is very easy, man. Please. Data structures are very, very important. You have to practice thoroughly. You have to practice all examples, what examples I'm giving from our material, and at the same time running notes also. Per day, minimum on an average, per day, minimum you will get a 10 plus examples. How many examples? All those examples you have to do hands-on. Then only you will get an idea actually. Now the currently running topic name is called as a object-oriented programming. All right. Let us start. Online team, I hope my voice is clear. As usual, we are continuing the topic actually. The very first point, please make a note. My name is Daniel. I'm giving introduction. The introduction is very, very important to understand object-oriented programming. I do have a sound experience in OOPS. Before data science, I worked with a Java developer in Java, complete OOPS only. When you say Java, completely object-oriented programming language. Especially, I worked very well, but I'm sure you will enjoy a lot actually. Please make a note. Team, in the year of 2006, in the year of what exactly, sir? 2006 actually. And I have done my BSc. I have done my what exactly? BSc I have done. BSc I have done. In BSc total, how many subjects would you have, Chapan sir, how many subjects actually? On an average, I can say, think like, 10 subjects. Think like that. 10 subjects. Not 10 subjects actually. I can say on an average 20 plus. Then you may counter question. Are you really done actually? I done, sir. I got. After I done my BSc, I got a tag. I got what exactly? Tag. What is the tag, Graduation. What exactly? This point is important. I joined BSc. The moment when I joined BSc, immediately I didn't get a tag. I got so I need to finish the studies. First semester, 6 subjects, second semester, 4 subjects. The last year, 1 subject actually. We have to keep on practice these are all things. Once you done all subjects, I got a tag. The tag name is what exactly? Graduated. Kind of some post graduation. I'm sorry, normal graduation. After this one, I have joined in the year of 2007. What I joined, sir, MCA. And even on average, I can say 30 plus subjects actually. and I have done even this one. Then I got a tag. What is the tag? Post graduation. Chappan sir, post graduation. First of all, you know about this point actually. Now try to understand how I can correlate with object oriented programming language. Let us continue. Understand this one. Team, this point is important. Initially, I'm not writing the procedure oriented. That is not required actually. First of all, function oriented programming language is available. What is available? Function oriented. Function, what exactly? Oriented programming. Later, object oriented programming. What exactly, sir? Object oriented programming. The third one will be think like Python programming language. Python programming, what exactly? Language. Fourth one is a Java programming language. Think like this. First point, these are all different programming languages. When I say functional programming language, sir, that one is a different story actually. Object oriented programming language, different. Python, different. Java, different actually. Then what happened, in functional oriented programming language, think like on an average 10 rules would you have. 10 principles. 10 what exactly? Principles. Something like in a BSc, how many subjects would you have? 20. Same thing like that. Think like, functional oriented program means exactly 10 rules would you have. Daniel, what do you mean by that rule actually? Think like, create a function. Chappan sir, create a function. Next one is what exactly? Yeah, good. Hope you understand. Hold on, let us just to make a note very nicely. You'll get an idea. Yeah, first one is a creative function. Chappan sir, calling a function. Next one will be return keyword. What keyword actually? Return keyword. Like this, it is having on an average some rules actually, certain rules. Then what exactly happened? Python programming language like that principles. Then Python programming language is talking with function oriented actually. Function oriented programming language. Can I implement your features in my coding actually? Then functional programming language given green signal. You can use my features also. Then Python programming language implemented all feature. Chappan sir, implemented all feature. Now here onwards, what we can tell, Python also called as what exactly? Function oriented programming. Chappan sir, function oriented programming. I'm sure you got a clear picture actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I mean to say, initially, Python is different, function oriented is different. Python programming language is implemented all function principles. Then here onwards, what we can talk, Python is a function oriented. Python is what exactly? Did you understand this one or not, sir? Move on to the next one. Same thing like that, how function oriented having the principles, object oriented also having the principles, man. Think like a 10 rules actually. 10 rules are 10 principles. What are all those principles, Chappan sir, first one, creating a class. Very good. Very good. By this time, Next one, creating. Yeah, very good. Creating what exactly? Method. The next one, somebody is tell. Creating object actually. Next one, calling a method. These are all rules. These are all what exactly? Now, Python even like these rules. Then Python called to the object oriented approach. Then Python is telling, hey, can I implement all your features actually? Object oriented is telling you can implement. Then Python programming language implemented all these features. That's why Python also called as a object oriented approach. What approach, sir? I'm sure you got a clear picture actually. Think like, Python is a separate technique. Object oriented is a separate technique actually. Python implemented all how to create a class. Python knows very well. How to create a method. Python knows very well actually. Now here onwards you can talk what exactly, sir? Chappan sir, object oriented approach. Python is also called as what exactly? Object oriented approach. Object oriented programming. Now Python equals to Chappan sir, functional programming plus what exactly? Object oriented programming. I'm sure you got a clear picture actually. Did you understand or not, sir? You got a clear picture actually. Now let me tell you. How the Python is implemented, same thing like that Java also implemented. Java also you can call as a object oriented approach. What approach? Make up clarity వస్తుంది actually. Oh, Java is also called as what exactly, Also called as object oriented approach. What approach actually? Object oriented approach. I hope you got a clear picture. These are all very simple. Now you can understand why I covered this example. If you done all your subjects, your college is a graduated. Think like this one is a Python. This one is a functional programming language. 20 principles would you have. Once the Python is implemented all features actually, it is called as a function oriented approach. What approach man? Function oriented approach. Think like, this one is the Python. This one is a object oriented approach. What approach? Object oriented approach. Object oriented approach having some principles. Python implemented all these principles fatafat actually, one by one. Then here onwards we can call as a object oriented approach. What approach man? Object oriented approach. You got a clarity, I guess actually. Can I get a response? Small introduction. This one is. Let me explain one more introduction. You need to understand these are all. Ivanni meeku idea undali. Let me drink water. Sir, what happened, Initially, in olden days I'm talking actually. Initially, there are only two approaches. There are only how many approaches, man? Two approaches actually. Two approaches. The first approach is called as a functional oriented approach. What approach, sir? Functional programming language. It is okay. Functional programming language. The second one is a object oriented programming language. What is the second one, sir? Object oriented programming language actually. Now, all software companies, all what exactly mean? Software companies. Let me tell you, software companies are using initially what they are using, sir. First, they started using functional oriented approach. What approach actually? Functional oriented approach. They started using all these functional oriented approach. Daniel, why companies are using? Simple. Why they are using, using to create a software. To create what exactly, sir? Software. I mean to say either function oriented approach or object oriented approach. By using both approaches actually, we can create a application. We can create what exactly? Application. That's what you need to be understand. But initially all companies are using functional oriented approach. It's okay. But there are some limitation. When you're talking about the functional oriented actually, that limitation we can talk later. Team, slowly by slowly, suddenly one new technique came actually. What is the technique, sir? Object oriented approach. What approach actually? Object oriented approach. Object oriented approach. Now, all companies, what exactly mean? All companies started adopting this area actually. Started using this actually. Now, frankly speaking, object oriented approach is such a powerful technique actually to create any kind of software, to create any kind of what exactly? Application or software actual. Now, I mean to say, there are, with my experience, there are two eras actually. When you're talking about IT industry, when you're talking about what exactly, sir? IT, all companies actually, IT industry. Before whoops, what exactly mean? Before whoops, next one is after whoops. You got a clear picture actually. Ante, before whoops, the industry was quite a normal actually. It's okay. And the applications are moving on. Development is a little slow actually. Development before whoops, what is approach, sir? Chapani? What is approach actually? Function oriented. What approach man? Function oriented actually. But sir, after approach, it really set a trend actually. Set what exactly? Trend. This is seriously amazing. Such a nice features we are going to see actually. Did you understand or not, sir? After whoops. If you want, I will tell you one small point. Let me talk about cine industry actually. What exactly, sir? Cine industry. Now, let me tell you, what is the set, before Bahubali. Am I right or not, sir? Am I right? Before, I'm sorry for comparing. Before Bahubali. Next one is what exactly, man? Yeah, you got a clear picture. Now, the whole industry got changed actually. Before Bahubali, the movies are kind of okay. Before going to the movie only, you can expect actually, the movies are kind of some hero will come, a hero will beat what exactly villain actually. Am I right or not, sir? Kind of some, these are all different movies. But after Bahubali, let me tell you, all audience expectations changed actually. All what exactly mean? Audience expectations. Nowadays, if any movie release available, why? Because we already have seen this kind of movie. We are expecting more than that. We are expecting what exactly? I hope you got a clear picture actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Anyway, before Bahubali, after Bahubali, not interview question. Just I'm comparing for your better understanding. Are you with me or not, sir? Let's continue. Now I'm entering into the, let's open the material. I hope everyone joined, I guess, actually. Kind update regarding tomorrow session. Regarding tomorrow session. Any guessing? Very good, sir. First point. Tomorrow, no session. Tomorrow, what exactly? No session. Is holiday. Holiday, no session. Again, we can meet on. We will meet on 26th. What exactly, sir? 26th. 26 means Thursday. Just one day, actually. Thursday. Be regular. I'm sure you can understand. Be regular, actually. So Thursday, we do have a session. Just only tomorrow, actually. Okay. Thank you. Go back. Yeah. Now, make a note. Object-oriented programming is a methodology. As I told you, it can contain some rules. It can contain some principles. It is a methodology to design software by using classes and objects. If you wanted to create any application, I already told. What do you mean by object-oriented programming? Writing a program by using class and object. Class and what exactly? Object. That is called as a object-oriented approach. What approach actually? Object-oriented approach. Object-oriented programming is a methodology. By using this, we can design software by using classes and objects actually. It's okay, sir. It simplifies the software development and maintaining the code is a very easy actually. It is going to provide some below features. It is going to provide what exactly? Below feature. Yeah. Is Python follows function approach or object-oriented approach? Sir, it follows both. It follows what exactly? Both actually. That's what you need to be understand. The features of object-oriented programming. I mean to say class is available, object is available, constructor is available, inheritance is available. Let me tell you. When you're talking about the Python, especially in a first one is what exactly, functions topic. What topics are? Functions topic. These are all topics we have seen. What we have seen, create a function. Chapman sir, create a function. You should aware. Next one, call a function. Very good. The next one, a function can call another function. Another function. Next one, we can create any number of function. Chaptaranka. Next one, any number of function. Next one, fourth one, parameterized function. Kada? Am I right? Parameterized function. The next one will be, what are the topics I covered? Arguments I covered actually. A function can return multiple values. A function plus return keyword. What keywords are? Return keyword. We covered actually. Seventh topic. A function can return multiple values. Eighth one. Arguments I covered actually. What I covered, sir? Arguments. What are all arguments would you have? Gurutunda meeku. Very good. First one, positional argument. Very good. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Fifth one, fourth one, variable length actually. In 1947, I covered actually. These are all variable length argument. After this one, I have covered a topic. The topic name is called as a lambda function. There are mainly three functions I covered. First one is a map function. Next one, filter. Next one is a reduce. Team, one small suggestion. You should remember these are all topic names. At least topic names. You should remember actually. Same thing like that in function, how we have seen these are all topics actually. Object-oriented approach also having the separate topics. Those topics you need to be understand step by step actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Right. Whenever you're talking about object-oriented actually, what exactly mean? Object-oriented. Now, the first one, these are all. The first one is the class. I hope you know. First one is what exactly? Class. The next one is a object discussion. We'll see. Step by step I will explain actually. The third one will be constructor. Let me talk about the method actually. What exactly mean? Method. The fourth one, what are the topics you might ever actually? Next one, calling a method. All right, you can just have to call a method. Call what exactly? A method. The next topic is a constructor. What is the next topic? Constructor, etc. respectively. Once I entered into the topic, you will get a clear picture. These are all things actually. Okay. Now, features of object-oriented programming. Chapter sir. Features of class, object, constructor, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract class, interface. But all other things are not important actually. What is important? I'm going to cover. Very good, man. What is the first discussion? Chapalandaru. Class. Very, very important. Online time. Till now, are you clear? Frankly speaking, till now, I have given a small kick introduction actually. Can I get a response from anybody online team? I'm waiting for your response, sir. Who is responding? Very good. Srija boss, Kumar, there is one good news. Let me share with you. One student got an offer, sir. He's, our batch actually. By attending our session, trust me, during interview, your confidence will be boosted actually. You can talk subject automatically. That is the first great advantage. There is a which batch? Morning 9 a.m. There is a one student. I hope. Yeah. My heartiest congratulations to what exactly? Charan. His name is Charan. And yeah, good. Charan Teja. Thank you so much, sir. Team, small good news for everyone actually. I got selected for company is very good company, sir. What is the company name? Tiger Analytics. And even before he got an offer, around 1 year back actually, there are two students already joined in a same company by adding an experience. By adding a what exactly? Experience. He got offer as a fresher actually. And company as a data engineer, frankly speaking, Daniel sir, I hope it is not a biscuit actually. Trust me, our sessions are helping. Our sessions are what exactly helping? These are all very common. I used to hear, I got a job, I got a job, I got a job actually. And listen carefully. It's not like he joined at Naresh IT, he got a job. No, it was not like that actually. First of all, he joined at Naresh IT, then he put efforts actually. He put what exactly? Then he got an offer. Please, practice really important actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, we can apply. Data engineer also we can apply, sir. Data engineer also we can apply. All right, please make a note. Go back and you can just try to, let's move on. Good. It's a right time I need to start the discussion. The topic is what exactly now? The first discussion is class. What is the first discussion? Class. Did you remember? A long back I already covered methods in a class. What exactly mean? Methods in a class. Who already know whoops actually? If anyone already know Python, get ready man. You guys will learn a lot actually. Now my first topic name is what is the first one, sir? Class. Now here I will explain. First point, let me explain the importance of the class. Importance of what exactly class actually. Let me prove practically. Then you will understand, you will get interest automatically. Oh, seriously. The class is really important actually. Let me prove practically. Siddiq sir, it will support, sir. It will support actually. Polymorphism, inheritance, data binding, it will support actually. Yeah. Importance of the Python. Importance of what exactly mean? Class. You can just try to, I would like to write one small example. Please look at this example, you will get an idea. Team, let me create A equals to 10. The one who created Python, who is the creator of Python? Do you think Daniel actually? No. Guido van Rossum. What is the name? Guido. He given very high importance to the class topic actually. He given very, very good importance to the class especially. 1.23. And now C equals to, tell me sir, some value actually true. And D equals to somebody is telling string actually. Hello. The next one A, B, C, D, E equals to, let me create a 10, 20, 30, 40. And A, B, C, D, E, F, and let me create a tuple. Tuple or a tuple, sir? G. Set data structure. All values. At last, let me create a dictionary. Cheppandi sir, dictionary how to create actually. Just now we covered 101. Next one is a Daniel. The next one 102. The next one is a Raju. Good. I'm sure you already know. I have created certain variables. I have created what exactly? Certain variable. If I'm printing, I hope you know what is output actually. But can I check the data type actually? How to check the data type? Yeah, come on. Let us just to print. Type of A. Okay, good. The next one type of P. Very good. Sorry, man. The next one type of. Let's copy paste. G7, 8 only motto actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us copy 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H letter. H8 actually. Okay. Now let us just have to print this example, man. Previously, I told one thing. Previously, what I told you know. Please ignore the class actually. You have to focus on only this one. You have to focus on what exactly? Now today I'm telling, ignore these are all things actually. Please focus on what exactly? Class. Now let me tell you, what is the first one actually? I mean integer data type, the Python creator, he created by using class topic actually. What topic sir? Class topic, interesting. Now the next one, floating data type. We thought like that is a floating data type, but the creator he have used one topic actually. What is the topic you know sir? Class topic. You tell me any topic in Python, backend definitely class is required. What is required? First to your point ardham kavali. Are you with me or not sir? Class is very, very important actually. So you create anything. You create anything sir. Integer, floating, boolean, string, list data structure, tuple data structure, set data structure, dictionary actually. Trust me, if you create a function also, backend that is a class. Can I prove that one practically? You will get an idea. Let me just try to take here and Rajesh actually. I'm creating the function. I'm creating what exactly mean function. And let me just try to tell hello. I hope you already know what is this one. Idento cheppandi. Function creation. But let's do print type of Rajesh. Just try to give only name of the function. Type of Rajesh. Backend it was created with class topic. Wow. What is the topic, sir? Class. And what is that one? Function. Please make a note. Class is very, very important, sir. Class is what exactly? This is the realization point actually. You have to give high importance to the class. Are you with me or not, sir? Very, very important. In Python, do anything. You can do anything. Backend automatically one support is available. What support, sir? Class support. Please, first point actually. Everywhere Python uses class topic for implementation. For what exactly, sir? Implementation. Sir, I can talk actually. All built-in classes lowercase, but user-defined class uppercase we need to give. Siddiq sir, user-defined class uppercase we need to give. There is one question from online team. That's what I am talking actually. Online, offline, many students are absent, but at least did they join with online actually? All right, maybe they have joined with online. Let's continue. Let's not break the flow. There are two definitions I'm planning to cover. How many definitions? Two definitions. First definition you can ignore as of now. You can just try to ignore. I can talk later actually. Please understand the second definition. Try to read the definition. You will get an idea. Come on, sir. What is the first definition? A class is a specification. One more time. Class is a specification. One more time. Class is a specification. What is a specification? It can be idea, plan, theory. One more time. Idea, plan, theory. Okay. Of properties and actions of what exactly? Object. I understand you didn't understand, but let me explain the point. You will get an idea actually. Good. Yeah. First point. If anyone is asking what is a class actually, just to use only one word, the class is nothing but an idea. Simple. Class is nothing but what exactly? Idea. If idea is implemented, if idea is what exactly? Implemented, then object will come actually. That implemented idea is called as what exactly? Object. I will tell you. Step by step, I will tell you actually. I wanted to hear from you. Can somebody tell me what is a class, sir? Idea. Imagine idea is implemented, then object will come. What it will come actually? Object will come. Right, good. Think like in the year of 1990s. In the year of what exactly? 1990s. Now, suddenly one person got an idea. His idea will be, let me create a fan. Let me create what exactly? Create a fan. A fan actually. A fan. To give an air. To give what exactly? Air. Am I right or not, sir? Creating a fan is nothing but an idea. Definitely. Am I right or not, sir? Right. Then to create that fan, definitely there are some measurements required. What is required actually? Measurement. What are those measurements actually? 3 wings. Am I right or not, sir? Then, kind of some length is required. The next one will be width is required. And next one will be kind of the shape also required actually. These are all things. Am I right or not, sir? These are all called as attributes. What exactly mean? Attribute. I have one small question for you. Can somebody talk with me? What is a class actually? Idea. One more time. Idea. Whenever you're talking about the idea having some measurements. First of all, you need to understand what is an idea. The idea is let me create a fan. Create a fan actually. Then he spent some time. He spent on an average some 2 years time he spent actually. How many times, sir? How long time? 2 years time. Then tell me one fan name actually. Usha fan. Very good, sir. What fan actually? Usha or Basha actually? Yeah, Usha fan. It's okay. Usha fan. Successfully the fan is created actually. Now, idea is nothing but what exactly? Class. Now the Usha fan is called as what exactly? Object. Anyway, I'm not talking about the object as of now. Object we can talk later. But today focus will be only on what exactly? Class. Now let me tell you. Behind of every invention, there is an idea. That idea is nothing but a class. Creating a laptop, initially there is an idea. Creating a water bottle, there is an idea. Creating a remote actually, there is an idea. I mean to say, all things came from ideas. That idea is nothing but what exactly sir? Class. Can I get a response or not, sir? I will explain one more time. Don't worry. Now you can understand. Sir, class is nothing but what exactly? Idea. Read one more time. Class is a specification. Then what do you mean by specific? It can be idea, plan, theory. I will explain one more example. Hold on. Every idea can contain properties. What exactly mean? Properties. What do you mean by property? Number of wings. What is the shape actually? What is the color? These are all properties. These are all what exactly? Properties. And actions of an object. Actions of what exactly? Every idea is supposed to perform some action. Think like, let us take a fan. It is giving air actually. It is giving what exactly, sir? Air. Now let us read the definition one more time. Everyone, a class is a specification. It is nothing but idea, plan, theory of properties and actions of object. One more time. Properties and actions of object. One more example let me take. Miku. Slowly by slowly I will explain. Overall missed OOP session. Very important, sir. They are unlucky actually. Let me take one small example. So just try to think like, so what is the location, sir? Current location? KBHP area. What area? KBHP area. Now exactly think like this one is some land on an average. Think like, some 1 acre land. Think like that. 1 acre land actually. In KBHP location. Think like I do have a 1 acre land. I don't have. Please. Are you with me or not, sir? Exactly in the year of 2021, in the year of what exactly 2021, I bought 1 acre land actually. Now, when I bought 2021, the land is a empty land. What land actually? Empty land. Now think like actually empty land. And as of now, I don't have no plans actually. What exactly, sir? No plans also. I bought a simple land and I don't have any plans actually. Then slowly by slowly, when the days are moving on, I'm getting some idea. I'm getting what exactly, sir? Some idea. My idea will be, think like, in the empty land actually. I'm planning to construct one 3 BHK house actually. What exactly mean? 3 BHK some house. 3 BHK house actually. Sir, can I ask a question? My idea is what exactly? Constructing a house. Constructing what exactly? House. Then for that constructing house actually, definitely there are some measurement. What is required actually? Some kind of some hall is required. A kind of some bedroom is required. The next one, restroom is required actually. The next one, gardening is required. These are all things really required actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Now the point is, initially I do have an idea. My idea is implemented in the year of 2024. 2000 what exactly, sir? 24. Now conclusion of the story. Successfully I have created a house. House is what exactly? Ready. House is what exactly, sir? Ready actually. Now the house is ready. The ready house is called as a object. Chaptara sir andaru? Object. Now can I ask a question? This object coming from where exactly? Any idea? Idea. That object is coming from where exactly? Idea. That idea is called as what exactly, sir? Class. Hope you understand a clear picture. Can I get a response? Good. There is a one online question. Let me look into that. Let's continue. Yeah, there are many definitions, sir. But with my whole experience, I consulted actually. Let us continue. Definition number one, you got it. Definition number two, class is a model. Class is what exactly? Model. For creating an object. This sentence is important. Class is a model. When I thought like my idea will be, I wanted to create a house. I wanted to construct a house. Then definitely when I go to any kind of some real estate person, like for contract person, if I'm telling to them, sir, I have empty land, I'm planning to create a house actually, then they will ask, tell me the model. Tell me what exactly? Model. What is the model? Either 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. Now you will understand this definition actually. Cheppandi sir. A class is a model for creating an object and it does not exist physically. Now go back to the discussion. Sir, if somebody is asking, show me your idea is in my brain actually. I cannot show you. Class does not exist physically. Talk with me. Class does not exist physically. One more time. Class does not exist physically. Last time. This point is very, very important actually. Now, initially you got some idea. Initially you got what exactly? Some idea. Suddenly if I am asking, show me your idea actually, no, you cannot show. But after a few days, your idea is implemented actually. That implementation you can show, that is nothing but an object. That is nothing but what exactly? Object. I hope you understand these two definitions. Both are important actually. Can I make a note actually, sir? Note cheyamantara. Class. Definition number one. Class is an idea. Class is a specification. Is what exactly, sir? Specification. What do you mean by specification? It can be any idea, plan, theory. For what? What exactly? Of properties and actions of an object. It should be exist physically, sir. I understand your point actually. I got it. I got it actually. But it should be exist physically. It should be exist physically. All right. Class is a specification, idea, plan, theory of properties and actions of an object. Cheppandi sir. Read everyone. Of properties and what exactly? Actions of an object. Next, one more definition. Class is a model. Class is what exactly? Is a model to create an object. To create what exactly? Object. This point is important. Class does not exist physically. But next point will be object exists physically. Object what exactly mean? Exist physically. Physically. That's what you need to be understand. Then let's continue. Hope you understand. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. Now it's the right time. Let us continue. It is important, sir. What is the time? 6:14 actually. Let me continue. Let me continue. Important. We are entering into important discussion, sir. Interesting discussion. Daniel, we understand just to definition. We understand what exactly just to definition. Now, can we go deeper actually? Yeah, sure, sir. Let us enter into one by one actually. Now, Daniel, I'm planning to create a class. If you are planning to create a class, listen carefully. Inside class, 3 things we can create actually. Inside class, how many things we can create? Chappalandaru. 3 things we can create. The first one, you are eligible. You can create a constructor. You can create what exactly? Constructor create church mirror. What is a constructor? Separate topic actually. Inside class, you can create a variables. You can create what exactly mean? Variables. Talk with me. Variables. Inside class, you can create a methods. Only 3 things. Apart from this, you cannot create any other thing. Of course, nested class also is available. But being a data scientist, all these things are not important actually. I wanted to hear from you. Inside class, what are things we can create? Chappandi, first one, constructor we can create. The next one, what we can create? Variables we can create. Variables we can create. Third one, what we can create? Methods we can create. Methods we can create. All right. Team, whenever you are talking about constructor, variable, method, first of all understand. Constructor again 2 types actually. Constructor again how many types man? 2 types. 2 types. First one is zero parameterized constructor. Chaptara? Zero parameterized constructor. Second one is a parameterized constructor. Go back to the function. Zero parameterized function. Next one is a parameterized function. Same thing like that. It's very simple. Can I ask you a question? Inside class, how many things we can create, sir? 3 things. First one, constructor. Next one, variable. Next one, method. Very good. You guys are listening actually. I misunderstand. Now again, variables are 3 types, man. Again, variables are how many types actually? 3 types. What is the first variable? You know, instance variable. What variable? Chapalandaru. Instance variable. The second one is a static variable. What variable, sir? Static variable. The third one is a local variable. What variable? Local variable. Local variable. Variables are 3 types. Especially I'm talking about object oriented approach. 3 types. First one, madam, instance variable. Second one, static variable. Third one, local variable. One more time. Instance variable, static variable, local variable. We need to memorize. First మనకి అలవాటు అవ్వాలి పలకడం. Then it will be very easy actually. Sir, methods again 3 types. This is the template actually, you know. So you cannot get this information like in single paper. Nowhere you never get actually. Understand the flow. Methods 3 types. Methods how many types actually? 3 types. The first one will be instance method. It's okay. Instance method. Second one is a static method. Guess the third one? Very good actually. But third one is a class method. Third one is what exactly? Class method. Not local method actually. Very good. At least you tried actually. I will tell you the reason. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah. Now, talk with me, sir. Inside class, 3 things we can create actually. How many things, sir? 3 things. First one, constructor, variable, method. Inside constructor, it can, constructors are 2 types. Zero parameterized constructor, parameterized constructor. Variables are 3 types. Variables are how many types? 3 types. The first one is a instance variable. Next one, static variable. Next one, local variable. Methods 3 types. First one, instance method, static method, class method. Daniel, it's okay. Sorry, Daniel, we understand. But can you tell me what is the purpose for everything actually? Let me tell you. What is the purpose for constructor, you know? Sir, we just started actually. You know, I will explain. Point by point, I will explain. We are in the flow. The purpose for constructor will be only one word, sir. That word is a initialization purpose. What purpose? Initialization. Chappalandaru, what purpose? Initialization. One more time. Daniel, what do you mean by initialization? Initialization having another word. What is that word, you know? Either you can say initialization or creating a instance variable. Chappani, create instance variable. One more time, sir. Create instance variable. One more time. Create instance variable. One more time. Very good. That's the purpose for the constructor. Now the next one will be variable. What is the next one? Did you remember in Python during variable actually, what is the purpose for variable? Come again. Very good, boss. Nice point actually. Many people are telling other point. Straight to the point I need actually. Exactly. I got right 100 out of 100% right point actually. The purpose of variable is to represent the data. Represent what exactly? We covered actually, right? To represent the data. Very nice. To represent the data. The next one, the purpose of method will be to perform an action. To perform what exactly? To perform an action or operation, anything you can say. Or what exactly, sir? Operation, anything you can say actually. Now let me tell you, during interview, if anyone asked, 1 minute, 1 minute actually. I'm just trying to framing, sir. Let us take this one. During interview, if anyone asked, do you know the whoops? Then you should not answer immediately. First, I need one paper actually. I need what exactly? One paper. Then in that paper, you have to write these are all things actually. The one who asked a question, he will get an idea. He will get what exactly, sir? Idea. These points are very, very important. Why? Because, framing all we are discussing. Framing all these things in one paper is not a joke actually. You will get an idea. Are you with me or not, sir? I hope you understand. Can I ask you one small point for you? What is the purpose for the constructor, sir? Chappani? Initialization purpose. It is also called as a creating a instance variable. Creating what exactly? Instance variable. The next one, to represent the data. What is the purpose for variable? To represent the data. Next one, what is the purpose of method? To perform an action. Also called as operation. These are all things actually. Let's continue. Here is the point. One important point I'm revealing actually. This one is all template actually. What exactly, sir? Template. Especially if you wanted to understand template about the important topics. If you wanted to become full stack Python developer, what developer? Full stack Python developer, then all things are important. All below topics important. But we are not applying for full stack Python developer. Please make a note. All topics are important. All topics. With my whole experience, I'm talking actually. This one is a point. Now, if you wanted to become data scientist actually, what exactly, sir? Data scientist, either a data scientist or Daniel, I'm planning for ML engineer. What exactly, sir? ML engineer, machine learning engineer actually. Then all these points are not important. But still, as I told you, before Python, before data scientist, I worked as a full stack Python developer. I know end-to-end Python. Trust me, I know. And we are very good in that actually. I can tell that one very confidently. But to become as a data scientist, all these topics are not important. What are all important, Methods, only instance methods are important. Variables, only instance variables are important. But still, I will cover other things also. Exactly, this is the template you should understand. This is the template actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, good. Now, let me tell you. Tell me, first one is a class. Next one, constructor, variable, method. As part of to become as a data scientist only, constructor is important. Next one is a variable is important, instance variable. Next one is a method is important. What is that one? Instance method. But still, I will cover static variable, local variable, static method, class method. These are all things during interview discussion I will cover actually. Can I continue? Yeah, good. Now, చూడండి మీకు ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుంది. Name of the class. Whenever you are writing inside class, what all things we can write, sir? First one, constructor. Variables also having two names. Variables. You can also call as a properties. You can also call as a attributes. Methods also having two names. You can also call as a action. You can also call as a behavior. We can create a class by using class keyword. By using what keyword, sir? Class keyword. Class contains mainly constructor, properties, actions. Properties also called as a variables. Actions also called as a method. But still you can follow our template actually. You can follow what exactly our template. See here I have written, class, constructor, variable, method. What variables are? Instance variable. What method? Instance method. A Python class may contain the below things actually. Class, name of the class. This one is called as a documentation string. You can write some comments actually. You can write some comments. That comments you can also call as a documentation string. Documentation string. Now, in another 5 minutes or 10 minutes actually, I will continue. Can I continue? Till now, are you clear? What is the current topic actually? Object oriented programming. What is the topic, sir? Object oriented programming. What is that? There is a one question from online team. On Thursday, can you give a recap of today's session? Because I also missed starting half an hour actually. Yeah, boss, sure. I will give actually. Not only you, many students are missed today actually. I will give a recap actually. But all you guys, it will kind of some revision actually. Is it fine? Important. Why? Because what about other guys actually? Jyoti ma'am, I will give the recap actually. Now, practicals, it is going to start, sir. Listen carefully. First point, the below program is, so valid but not important. Below program, valid but not important. I know which one is important, which one is not important. I know very clearly. I'm creating a class. I'm creating what exactly? Class. And what is the naming convention? I will tell you. Hold on actually. Now the class name is a student. What is the class name? Student. Column symbol. What is the next line? Indentation. Go to the next line. We need to provide what exactly? Indentation. Team, did you remember? Class contains previously what I told actually? Generally, class contains methods. Class contains what exactly? Daniel, I will not write anything. Is it fine actually? Still, this one is valid example, but not required actually. Hello, you can just try to type like this actually. Many people don't know. This example is valid actually. If you want, you can run the code actually, you will get an idea. Chodandi, meeku output vastadi. What output, sir? Hello. But we are not using this one in a real time. Are you getting or not, sir? We can create a class without constructor, without variable, without method actually valid. But frankly speaking, dummy and empty discussion actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's take this example. No need to call. By default, it is executing actually. That's what I told. Below program is, Chapan sir, valid, but not important actually, but not much important. Now I'm entering into actual discussion. I'm planning to create a class. And when I'm planning to create a class, the best understanding is create a class with method combination. What combination, sir? Class with method combination. Then you can understand very clearly what is a class, what is a method. These are all things you will understand. Chapandi. Especially whoops, practice important, man. Practice. Mere practice here actually. It will be very easy, right? Now, student, let us just try to write a Daniel. Now DEF, kind of some teaching. And here self, column symbol. Simple, I like teaching, sir. Seriously, I like teaching. Very well. Good. So now, yeah, good. Successfully, I have created a class. I have created what exactly? Class. Inside class, what I have created actually? Method. Now go back to the theory. Point by point, I will explain actually. Tim, did you remember? Today I need to reveal one small thing. Almost 3 to 4 times I covered one point actually. Methods in list class, methods in tuple class, methods in set class. Every time I used to tell, we can create a class. Class contains what exactly? Method. But I never ever explained what is a class, why we are creating actually. Today is the discussion. Are you with me or not, sir? Hope you are getting, right? Chudani, point by point. We can create a class by using a keyword. The keyword name is called as a class. So simple. If you wanted to create a class, we can create a class by using a keyword. Keyword name is a class. Go back. Let us have a small theory actually. What is the theory, Daniel, I wanted to create a function. Sir, 2 ways would you have? How many ways? By using Chaptara, def keyword. Next one by using? Sir, chapatledu. Oh my God. Lambda keyword, sir. What keyword actually? Lambda keyword. Daniel, I am planning to create a class only one way, by using class keyword. By using what keyword actually? Class keyword. Sometimes comparison really matter. If I compare, you can get a more clarity actually. There is no way, only one way. Daniel, I am planning to create a class. You have to use class keyword only. What keyword, sir? That's it. Please make a note actually. Class is a keyword. By using that, we can create a class. Bus. We done actually. Next one. Class keyword follows what exactly? Name of the class. You can just try to come here. Whenever you are creating a class, yeah, go. You can just try to come here. Daniel class. It requires RHS actually. What it requires, man? RHS. This here you need to write name of the class. What you need to write, man? Name of the class. Name of the class you need to write actually. Name of the class. Let me write the name of the class is a Daniel. Name of the class is what exactly? Daniel. After name of the class, we need to give column symbol. Very good, man. Point by point we are covering. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? Point by point. Point by point we are covering. After column symbol, the next line we need to provide indentation. Otherwise, we will get a indentation error. What error? Indentation error. Good. Generally, class can contain what exactly? Constructor, just now I covered, variable, method. Daniel, what is the purpose for constructor? The purpose for constructor is what purpose, you know, sir? Initialization purpose. Means also called as a creating a instance variable. Creating what variable? Good. The next one, variable. The purpose for variable is to represent the data. Especially instance variable we are using. Method. Purpose for method will be represent an action. Also called as a perform an operation. Perform an action. Anything you can say. Can I ask a question? Question adumantara. Inside a class, how many things we can create? 3 things we can create. First one, constructor. Second one, variable. Third one, method. Very good. One more time. First one, constructor, variable, method. Constructor, how many types? 2 types. First one, zero parameterizer constructor. Next one, parameterizer constructor. Very good. Variables as part of data science, only one type. That is a instance variable. Very good. Method as part of data science, only one method. What method? Instance method. Very good. We are good to go, I guess, actually. Okay. Exactly 6:40. I will stop the session. Can I continue? Yeah. Why? Because every point I need to remind again on Thursday, actually. Yeah, I hope you understand. But kindly, please, you do small revision. Actually, you will get an idea. Somebody, Siddiq sir. Now you previously you asked one point, right? Now that point you will understand actually. Class naming convention. What convention? Class naming convention. This one is very, very important actually. A equals to 10. Team. Variable creation. What creation? Variable creation. Whenever you are creating a variable, it is okay. You can provide lowercase. You can provide what case actually? Lowercase. If you want, you can just try to provide student underscore ID. Student underscore what exactly? ID. Let me create a function. Function name is a Naresh. What is the function name, sir? Naresh. This one is called as a function creation. What creation? Function creation. Chappan sir, sorry. Function creation. Creating a function. Otherwise, creating a variable. These are all. In a variable, all are lowercase. In a function also, all are lowercase actually. But whenever you are creating a user-defined class, what class actually? Means we are creating our own class. Whenever you are creating our own class, listen carefully. Class name starts with uppercase letter. Class name starts with what exactly? That is a rule actually. That is what exactly? Rule. That is also called as a standard. If the class contain more than single word, next word should be uppercase letter. Otherwise, Daniel details actually. Otherwise, Daniel what exactly? Details. This is exactly to creating a class. This is exactly what exactly mean? Creating a class. Even I will tell you the reason. Creating what exactly? Class. Please make a note actually. Now I understand your counter question. Then you'll go back to the predefined classes. Predefined what exactly? Classes. Nenu ikkada rasanu kada. Whenever you are printing type of list or type of tuple, these are all things. What you are getting, sir? Here meeku em vachindi actually output lower case vachindi ante kada. Class of what you got it actually? Integer. Now here it is the lower case actually, but user defined class it is uppercase. Now the point is all built-in data types. Chappan sir, all built-in data type. Class names are lowercase only. Class names are what exactly? Lowercase only. But user defined class, whenever you are creating your own class, actually, you have to follow the rule. You have to follow what exactly? Rule. Can I tell where I covered this point actually? You point ekkundo chupinchmantara. Go back to the naming convention. Now ee table meeku appudu ardham avutundi actually. Yeah, class. There is a reason. That day I told, sir, don't worry, don't take tension. I will cover so and so day. Now this is the day. In Python programming language, a class name should starts with what exactly mean? Uppercase letter. Uppercase. And remaining letters are in lowercase. Lowercase. If name having the multiple words, then every nested word should starts with what exactly? Uppercase. See, student info. S is a capital letter. Next one is a I is a capital letter. Now small information I am giving. What information you know? Sir, this rule is applicable for classes created by the user only. But built-in classes names are what exactly? Lowercase only. You got a clarity, I guess, actually. Very, very important point. You should understand. Even I will tell the reason also. Why uppercase actually? I will tell you. I will tell. In the next session, I will tell actually. Till now, are you clear or not, man? Good, very good. Important, sir. These are all. Class name should starts with, yeah, uppercase, capital letter, uppercase. Remaining letters are in lowercase. If class name contains two words, how many words, man? Two words. Every nested word, I mean, two words in the sense, more words. Here, Daniel example. Give me one example. Best example, student. It is okay. Exactly. ఈ పాయింట్ చూసి ఇది మీరు చదవండి అర్థం అవుతుంది యాక్చువల్. ఇఫ్ క్లాస్ నేమ్ కంటైన్స్ మోర్ దాన్ మోర్ వర్డ్స్ యాక్చువల్ దెన్ ఎవ్రీ nested word also. Nested what exactly, sir? Word also starts with uppercase. Start with what exactly? Uppercase only. Student info. Chudane. Can somebody tell me actually? S is capital. Next one is what exactly? I is capital. Why? Because this one is a separate word. This one is what exactly? Separate word. Previously, one student asked one question. Daniel, can I give underscore actually? You can give, but not recommended actually. Mere watchu, but that is not a good practice. You are not following the standards actually. You are not following what exactly? Standards. Madam, are you getting everyone? Good. All right. It's the right time. Fine then. So I will give a small recap also in the next. I thought next week actually. Next session. Fine. We done for today's session. Very less students actually. That's what I'm leaving early. We done for people are leaving quickly actually. We done for today's session. That's the advantage with the online. So we'll meet again. Yeah, a kind update regarding the tomorrow session. Tomorrow we have a holiday. Don't come here with habituate actually. Again, we'll meet on what exactly 26, which is Thursday. Thank you, team. We done for today's session. Let me upload the material for your better understanding. Tell me, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. Thank you. Live example. Her friend, she got a job actually. She's our student. Name is Preeti, I guess actually. Preeti. And she got a job. She's our student. I mean, she really done nice practice actually. Go back. 5:30. Let me upload the material. Why 3 comments actually? People are scolding me or what? Oh, sorry. They are asking questions, I guess. Definitely I should respond all these things. Can you explain these 2 steps actually? Sorted value, it is sorting and it is adding actually. Sir, I'm extremely sorry. Even I forget. Yesterday, Shruti also asked a question. Shafina and Shruti. Definitely, I can respond actually. Please be patient. See. Go to the edit. Let us. No, not edit. Yeah, new document actually. Once I'm uploading material, are you getting mail actually? Yeah, you should get with a nice format. మీకు మంచి ఫార్మాట్ లో మెయిల్ వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్గా. What is the purpose of these are all? Object oriented. We are good to go. That is just have to upload the running nodes to. Thank you, man. So we're done for today's session. We can meet again on what exactly? Thursday. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Online team, we're done for today's session. Thank you. Srija, thank you. అవును.